Hey, welcome my YouTube friends. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a project that I made for the 2026 March Madness project that I've been hosting. So welcome my friends. All right, this is a mini album that I made out of file folders. It has 2 pages in it, and you can purchase the tutorial so you can learn how to make this. Okay, it's my 2026 March Madness project. I do have a 2-page album, a 4-page album. I do have all of the 12 wonders inside there. Plus, there's coming soon is a box that you can put the wonders in. And I'm also coming up with an album to put like 6 of the wonders in. Okay. And there is a cardstock version for the mini album. Okay. And I will be teaching you the folio album right here on YouTube just as soon as we get done with our wonders. Okay. And it's a folio album that is totally made out of file folders. And I think you'll love it. I will link down below the video where I do just, a quick sneak peek of it. Okay. All right. So this is the front of our album. Okay. Then here is the side of it. I love how that turned out. And there's the back of it. Very cute album. And I did use the Lavender Fields collection from Simple Stories, and I just collaged things up, and then I used a file folder as the base for it. All right, so it opens up, and right off the get-go, we do have one of our file folder wonders here. It is style number 12. So this opens up. That opens. Let me scoot it over here. And then that folds down. And then these open up. Okay. And then you have a nice pocket here. So that is style number 12 that I put here. And this just keeps it all nice and tidy. Okay. And then this opens up. And we have another style here. This is style number 1. And then you have a pocket underneath there. So you have a pocket there, a pocket here, a pocket there, and then this opens, and then that opens, and then you have another pocket here. Pocket, 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 pocket. You can stack it full. I'll just put these. Okay. So then here you have a little flip. And then you have a little pocket here for some tags. And then here we have another one of our one file folders. And this is style number 9. So you have a pocket here. You have a pocket here. Then this flips open. You have a pocket here. A pocket here. And a pocket here. And a pocket here. All right, and then that just closes up. Okay, and then you have a belly band right here. Okay, so this, when this closes up, you have a belly band underneath all that for some added room for some photos. This album will hold quite a few photos. And like I said, this is my 2-page album. I do have a 4-page album. Okay, and I do have a tutorial that teaches you how to make this from cardstock if you can't get your hands on file folders. That is included inside my 2026 March Madness project. Okay, it is stacked full of projects. So here we have a tie closure, and I did put the little bees from the collection right here. So that flips open, room for a photo mat. This flips open, and this flips open. So here is some acetate windows that I done for here. Okay. That's just beautiful. And you can learn how to make this when you purchase the tutorial. Okay, so you have a pocket here, and then you have another pocket here. Okay, so then this all shuts, and you just tie it back. Oops. All right, that keeps it all nice and tidy. Then it flips, and then you have a pocket here for some photo mats, and I didn't decorate them. I want to leave them for the photographs. And like here is just one sheet of paper, and I cut it and divided it so you'd have a nice, and it didn't quite fit, so then I had to put strips here. And then this opens up, and we decorated this over on my Facebook page. So the classes, there are decorating classes that show you how to decorate and how to make this from start to finish. And then that opens. Then you have a pocket here, and then that flips open, and then this flips open. Look at that, beautiful. Then that just shuts, and these are acetate windows here as well. And then I just done a twine closure with a brad. Same thing over here. And there's the acetate windows, and that flips open, and again you have a pocket. Then that flips open, and then that flips open. So lots of room for photographs, and this paper is so amazing to work with. I had a lot of fun working with this paper collection. And then I just stuck some of the Color Vibe cardstock, you know, to bring out the green. All right, and that flips, and then you have another pocket here, photo mats. And again, this was a whole sheet of paper, and I cut it. And again, you know, it didn't quite fit, so I added a strip. And then I added some of the ephemera from the collection. So then here we have another closure with the ribbon. I wanted to show, you know, the different types that you can use. You can use magnets, you can use ribbon, you can use brads, you can use twine. So then that opens up, another room for a photograph. This thing is just full of flips. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Nope, I was thinking we had a pocket there, but we don't. So beautiful. And then that flips open. I was thinking we had a pocket here. Okay, so then you have a pocket here. Okay, and I just stuck some photo mats. You have another pocket here, and I forgot to tell you too that you do have pockets right here. Oh, never mind. Never mind. But yeah, that flips. I was thinking we had a pocket. We do have a pocket there. I thought we did. Let me grab a photo mat. Thought we did. So you have a pocket here. Okay. So then that flips. And then you keep that all nice and tidy. And this here. So it is full of flips and flaps. And that just ties. Okay, so then here we have our number 12, one file folder wonder again, same thing. Just, just decorated just a little bit different. Then this folds down and this opens up. Then you have your pocket here. I love these one file folder wonders. I just think they're so neat. You can send them as a card, Mother's Day card, Father's Day card, your daughter that's in college. You can put them inside a mini album, a journal. And I don't have the other one made that goes right here. And you do have a pocket right there. Okay. So then this opens up. And then you have another tuck pocket right here. Okay. So then here is another one of our one file folder wonders. This is number 3. So these keep it all nice and tidy. Then this opens. That opens. And then that opens. And then you have a little pocket here. And I've had several of you say number 3 style is one of your favorites because it kind of flips, like a little folio. So then that closes, and then these photo mats keep this all nice and tidy. The bees and the honey. And then that closes. And then again, you have a belly band here. And I didn't decorate these. Okay, I want to save them for the photographs. So that is my 2-page mini album that I'm done for my March Madness. And I will be teaching you the folio album. And then the one file folder wonders. And I've even came up with some more of them that I will be showing you here just real soon. So don't forget, if you want to purchase this, go to my website. I'm Scrappin' It Up Designs. I will put the link down below to where you can go purchase this wonderful tutorial. And it has, the 2-page, 4-page cardstock version how to make this. And I will get the project share here on right here for you so you can see it as well. The box to put the wonders in, and then an album that will feature like 6 of our one file folder wonders. So go grab it. All right, that is all I have for this project share. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for hanging out with me, and we'll see you in the next video. As always, keep scrapping. Bye bye.